Hello, this video shows you how to prepare medicine from 2 parts made of medicine mushroom. Let's go to check what is necessary to prepare. For first part, you need medicinal mushrooms, alcohol, clean resealable jar for 650 milliliters. At first, we prepare the alcohol basis. Dried medicinal mushrooms like reishi, turkey tail, chaga, cordyceps or others, chopped into small pieces, put in the glass and added alcohol. It's important to use pure alcohol or spirit without colorants and additives. Use alcohol between 50 and 65%. If you don't have a stronger alcohol, use what you have, but still I recommend it no less than 40%. It depends on the health issue, but I'm using ratio 50 grams of medicinal mushroom for 650 milliliters of alcohol. Some of the medicinal mushrooms is possible to consume like regular food. For example, maitake, shiitake or oyster mushroom. About the effects of medicinal mushroom and what for to use them, we could talking in the other video if you would like to. So write and ask. Now back to work. Let the glass with the mushrooms and alcohol stand in the dark minimum 40 days in the room temperature. It's necessary 2 times per day, shake it well. After 2 weeks, we can start to do second part. Let's go. For the second part, you need to prepare 2 clean resealable jar around 650 milliliter, strainer, measuring cup, water, pure cotton cloth, pot with lid. Strain the tincture through a cloth and strainer into measuring cup. With clean hands, squeeze well the mushrooms. Check how many liquid you have. Put the tincture in the clean glass and close it for now. Fill the measuring cup with 2 times more water, like was the tincture. Put in the pot a water and squeeze the mushrooms. Cover with lid and on the smallest fire boil between 40 and 50 minutes. After getting cold, strain the broth through a cloth and strainer into the measuring cup. You can use the same cloth like before, just don't turn the side because some of the remains of mushroom or dirt could be moldy. With a clean hand, squeeze well mushroom. Mix broth with the alcohol basis and there you go. Now you have a complex medicine from medicinal mushrooms made from 2 parts. Why do it on this way? This kind of medicine mushrooms have a part soluble in water and part soluble in the other substance such as alcohol. These 2 bases create a complex of important components. You can buy some really quality extract, but most of them are just ground mushrooms or just alcohol extract. They're working, but still it's not possible for your body to use all these benefits the medicinal mushrooms really offering. Very important warning. If you decide to using medicinal mushrooms, and it doesn't matter if you will prepare this one or you will buy someone, it's necessary to using vitamin C. If you like my video, share it, and if you would like to ask me on something around this theme, so go ahead. Bye!